Hi, Jennifer Kinsel here, Charles Rittenberg Realty of Illinois, Fox Valley Homes. Fun fact, there are multiple different properties that we can find on the MLS, considering there's probably 12 different categories off the top of my head I can think of. We've got the farmland, we've got the vacant land, we've got multi-units, we've got units over 5, we've got single-family homes, which are detached, and we've got attached family homes, which are attached, like a townhome. So there's multiple categories. Now, when we do a search for you to put them into your little handy dandy email inbox, we kind of need to sort them out to get you a better scope of it. So if you're not decided if you're going to go with a single family house or a condo, it's kind of like a big deal. We need to kind of have that, in gear, but we can set up separate searches for both of those things. So it would just mean that you're going to have to click through some more links and more houses, which is, if you're still in the preliminary stages of house hunting, that can really work out better because you might want, have a townhome that's low maintenance, in a small community, or maybe you want a single family home that's going to be out on 5 acres. Those are not really the same category. So let's be honest, a 5-acre ranch is not going to be the same as a townhome. So if you're looking for low maintenance versus high maintenance, that's a conversation we need to have before we start really looking at different homes that are on the internet and available to buy. So let me know if I can help you pare down your list of wants versus needs, and we'll talk more about, making a list that works for you, because, it always works best, if you're looking in a lot of different houses and you're just in your fuzzy bunny slippers looking for, a fun evening of entertainment on the internet looking at houses, because face it, that's kind of what I do. But, if you had the MLS access, wouldn't you be doing the same thing too? Come on, admit it. That's what we do all day. So yeah, let me know what your needs and wants are and price ranges, and then we can build you out a list for multi-units, vacant land, the whole 9 yards, farmland, apartments. We do have apartments, yeah. Well, not all apartments, but some apartments. And we can just build out a list that works for you. Let me know. Thanks.